back to my channel of blessing. So my loves, I would like to 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 watch me, nene, nene. Anyway, now today so I'm very beautiful today. Okay, so my loves, of course, we are here, you are there, you're watching me, I'm watching you. And, okay, so I'm gonna have another loto tonight. I mean, not tonight, but today, because the sun is still shining up. Look at the sun. There you go. So it's still the day, okay? It's still the day. So my loves, so if you are wondering why I'm speaking English, because I am Americana today. So I will try to speak my own language. Oops. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna speak my own language, my loves, because I am Americana, and I would like to introduce myself. I am who I am. Okay. So I'm gonna cook the food. The food that I'm gonna cook is a potato. A potato, my love. The potato, you know the potato? You know the potato, eh? The potato that comes from the ground. You dig it and you wash it. And then you peel it. So, and then we're gonna have carrots. You know carrots, like carrots. The bunny rabbit eat carrots. So that's a carrot. That's carrot. And we have the pumpkin. The pumpkin, my love. So I still have. I bought this one. Yesterday in the Pack and Save, and the price is $1.96. And there's another one here. Dollar. No, not it's $1, but 99. 0.99. So it's 99 cents. One. Equivalent to $1. So, mura ni English. Okay, English. English. English today. Okay. Wait a minute, kaping mainit. So, this is my potato, my loves. This is my potato. Fresh from the ground. See? Oh. Gilamos. What do you English of lumot? Okay, I don't know what's the English of lumot. So this is lumot. Actually, all of them are gilumot. So I need to cook na this one because it's been there. It's been there for ages. Okay. So first all of them are lumot, my love. Very lumot. And I think it's alright to eat, eh? Yeah. But actually you can put it back in the ground. Yeah. You can put it back in the ground to bear fruit. Okay. So look at them, my love. Oh, it's very lumot, my love. See? See? Okay. Yeah. Lumot. Very lumot. Oh. So it's been here for ages. So yeah, weird English. Okay, so I think it's alright to eat this one. No, it's not eat, but it's alright to cook and eat it. So I'm gonna wash it and then peel, like peeling, like peeling. Okay, so we're gonna peel this one, my labs. Oh, okay. So before I forgot, because I already forgot, we're gonna cook roast. Like roast. Yeah, natulog ko si roast. Roast veges. Yes, my love. Roast veges, my love, because we are vegetarian now. Okay. So I'm gonna roast veges today. Today, egg pumpkin, lumot potato, onion, and carrots. Carrots, my love. It's another one. And it's another one. Carrots. Okay. So, I don't know. We are English, right? I don't know if I will cook this one. So I think yes, I know. So okay, I think okay. So okay, so pumpkin, carrots, and potato. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this one just to make it sure that it's clean. Okay, because you don't know that I don't know also. So my loves, all right, the seed. Okay, remove the remove the seed, my love. Okay, and then of course, you remove also this one, the plastic. You know the plastic. Your friends are very plastic to you, so that's a plastic. Okay, so yeah, remove this and the seed. Okay. All right, my love, and then we'll wash this carrots, potato. We're gonna wash this one, and I'm gonna peel it. Okay, there. My love, we already washed the carrots, the potato, the pumpkin, and then of course, before I forget, the asparagus and cherry tomatoes. Okay, so I'm gonna peel it like peeling like that. So I'm gonna peel it and then I'm gonna chop. Okay, so see you in a bit. I'm back. Okay, so look at me. Okay, so this is the potato, of course, the pumpkin, and the carrots. Okay, so all I have to do, my love, is that I need to boil it first, my love, so that it will cook. It will cook very fast. Because if I'm gonna put it in the oven straight away, it will take ages to cook. So I prefer it to boil it first, even just maybe half, like half cook lang, my love, or 5 minutes. It just depends with your fire how fast your fire. Okay, so we put water, like not that much, maybe a little bit, just enough to cook the potato, and of course our carrots. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, and of course turn on the light, I mean the fire, and we put this pumpkin. Okay, it's just over there, over here. Put the pumpkin on top. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for 5 minutes or maybe 10, just to enough to to cook. And wow, where is the asparagus, my love? The asparagus. Yeah, like that. Asparagus is so I'm gonna boil this one also, boiled separate. Or no, oi, you can put it here, man, diba? Look, you can put it like that. That's a good idea. I'm gonna wash it first and then put it on the top. Okay, so yeah, like that. So 3 in 1. Okay, no, actually not 3 in 1. Potato, carrots, pumpkin, and asparagus. 4-in-1. Okay, so now, mm, so I happy. So my loves, we're gonna wait for, yeah, just depends your how far you're burning on fire. So just wait, and then while we're waiting, I need to prepare some of my ingredients. Just come with me. Never mind. Actually, this is my studio here, my love. If you can see some of my videos, my workout, like that workout video. This is my studio, and that's my dining. Never mind. Yeah, let's have a quick look with my the dining. So this one is, I don't know what's that, and so this is my studio, and my kitchen studio. Okay. So anyway, let's go back to our topic. So, and one ingredient also, my lab, that I need to introduce to you. Tick. Okay. So I need to get. I'm so pretty with my blend. Okay. So and this one also. Yes, this one. Peas, like green peas. Okay. So, I'm gonna use also the gravy. So, may the gravy it's up. So the gravy, or so because I'm gonna use the gravy for roast. Okay, meat. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so wait, I am okay. So just bear with me. And this one, light brown gravy. So it's up to you if you're gonna use this, or if you're gonna make your own gravy. But for me, it's too much work now, so I don't have time for making my own gravy. So I better get this, in the supermarket. And I'm gonna use this one also. Cheese, sauce, or whatever. So yeah, choose that one. And before I forgot, also the broccoli. Okay, so the broccoli, and if you like the long one, the broccoli, not that one. Oh yeah, if you like, if you're, the broccoli also, because tonight, tonight is we're having a Veges. We are vegetarian, my love. Okay, so because of that vegetarian, so we become vegetables. Okay, so it's really good also, my love, that after you work out, after, because I work out a lot of work and out of a lot out, so I need to eat healthy. So the most important, my love, when you do work out, my love, you need to work it hard, so hard, like, so that you can see the hardness. You can see the hard. You can see the hardness. So yeah. Okay. So we need close the fridge now because there's nothing inside. Okay. Now, so let's go back to my main topic. We're gonna wait for, I don't know for how long, but I'll be back. And stay there. Wag maglipat channel, I stay. Don't change your channel, my love, because this channel is the best channel of all times. So, see ya. Okay, my loves. So, it's ready to no, it's ready to put it in the oven, my love. So all we need to do is just, we're gonna put oil, yeah, to make it shine and smooth and wet. Okay, like that. So I'm gonna put oil brush with oil, brush oil, brush the oil, brush the oil. Okay, so my loves, I don't know how to do this. Okay, it's really difficult, the situation, if you're the one who make all the, if you will be the one to do all the work. So yeah, so I'm gonna brush the oil in the skin. Sa mukha. And then I have a little crawler in here. Hi, my loves, what are you doing? Okay, so just bear with me, my loves. This is my show. This is my show. So my love, this is halanak, halanak, halanak. No, no, nak, what are you eating? Halanak, halanak, no, no, nak, dirty na, nak. Kamay, sanap, nak, sanap, 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 sanap. Tara, tara, sanap. Good boy. Dali, dali, dali. Okay, sorry for that interruption. Okay, you hold mommy's laptop. Oh, sige. Okay, so let's continue the brushing the oil. Okay, so it's just like this, like that only, like that, oil. Okay. Hi, just bear with me. Sorry about that, my love. So just cover it, just brush it with oil. Okay, just brush with oil, and maybe you're gonna put some a little bit more. Just put a little bit more. Wait, nak, wait, nak. No, my love, rubbish, nak. Okay, so just a little bit, just a little bit. Hala, nak, doite na, nak, patay. Anak, nak, what na, nak. Let's stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Okay, so now let's go back to our business, my loves. So let me fix my ear first. Okay, so yeah, just continue brushing it until it will, if you think that there's enough oil in the veges. So yeah. And you need to, just put season, salt, pepper, pimenta, asen, like that. It's up to you. It's optional, optional. So I'm gonna use this one. Okay, green herbs. So everything is in here now. Just like that. Yeah, just like that. And then another one here. Nak, no, nak. Mapasok ka, nak. There you go. Okay. There you go. And then put it in the oven. Okay. Put it in the oven, put it in the grill. So I'm gonna put it on first here. Hala, nak, no, nak. Hala, nak, no, nak, come here. Okay, so that's it, my love, and then I will report to you as soon as I can. Okay. All right.